In 1990, the sky witnessed a catastrophic moment that forever altered the course of air travel. On February 14th, hope turned to horror as Indian Airlines Flight 605 faced an unimaginable tragedy. This is the chilling account of the Flight 605 disaster, a day etched in the annals of aviation. Join us on a journey back to that fateful day. Listen to the first-hand accounts, understand the chaos, and learn from the experts who dissected the aftermath. We're not just exploring the tragedy. We are honoring those lost and examining the lessons that shaped the future of aviation safety. As we delve into this pivotal moment, let's pay our respects to the lives lost and acknowledge the industry's resilience, ever evolving in the face of adversity. Crew. The pilot who controlled the flight was Indian National Captain Cyril Fernandez at 46 years old. He joined Indian Airlines in 1977 as a pilot and was promoted to the position of co-pilot. Eventually, he became captain of a Hawker Siddeley HS-748. In 1983, Fernandez obtained a Boeing 737 co-pilot rating, followed by a captain rating in 1984. Fernandez became the co-pilot of an Airbus A320 in 1989. Fernandez had a total flying experience of 9,307 hours, of which 68 hours were spent on the Airbus A320. The pilot who supervised Captain Fernandez was Indian National Captain Satish Gopuikar at 44 years old. He joined Indian Airlines in 1969 and was employed as a co-pilot on a Hawker Siddeley HS-748 from 1971 to 1981, later flying the plane as a captain. In 1981, he obtained a Boeing 737 co-pilot rating and later a pilot in command rating in 1983. In 1989, he was promoted as a co-pilot on an Airbus A320. Captain Gopuikar had a total flying experience of 10,340 hours, of which 255 hours were on the Airbus A320. During the flight, he was carrying out the duties of both the co-pilot and the check pilot. As the AN-32 ascended, it communicated regularly with air traffic control. However, things took an unexpected turn when the aircraft vanished from radar screens over the Bay of Bengal. Radar contact with the aircraft was lost at 9:12 a.m., 280 kilometers, 170 miles east of Chennai. The sudden disappearance triggered an immediate response, and authorities initiated a massive search and rescue operation. Over the next few days, search efforts covered vast areas of the Bay of Bengal. Ships, aircraft, and satellites were deployed to locate any signs of the missing AN-32. Despite the extensive search, no wreckage or debris was initially found. On the third day after the disappearance, 16 ships, a submarine, and 6 aircraft were deployed to search for the missing AN-32 in the Bay of Bengal, about 150 nautical miles east of Chennai. On 1 August, it was confirmed that the aircraft had no underwater locator beacon, ULB. It did have 2 emergency locator transmitters, ELTs. On 15th of September 2016, the search and rescue mission was called off. All 29 people on board were presumed dead, and their families were notified. The disappearance of the AN-32 led to various speculations and theories about what might have happened. Bad weather, technical malfunctions, or other unforeseen circumstances were considered, but without concrete evidence, the mystery persisted. On 12 January 2024, Indian government announced that an autonomous underwater vehicle found debris of the missing AN-32 approximately 140 nautical miles from the Chennai coast. The statement further said there was no history of other missing aircraft in the area, which pointed to the likelihood of it belonging to the AN-32, which crashed. India's Defense Ministry said the aircraft was last visible on radar 280, 170 m east of Chennai. It made a left bank and experienced a rapid decrease in altitude from 23,000 ft, $7,000 winners.